In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error that says a dialog box is open. This is a common issue that can stop you from sending emails, changing settings, or even closing Outlook properly. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix once you know exactly what to look for. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get Outlook working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. When you see the message that says a dialog box is open, Outlook is basically telling you that another window is active somewhere, even if you can't see it on your screen. This usually happens when a pop-up, confirmation window, or settings box opens in the background or on another monitor. Outlook won't let you continue until that dialog box is closed. The first thing you should do is look carefully at your screen and check for any open Outlook windows. Minimize Outlook if needed, and see if there's a small prompt hiding behind it. Sometimes the dialog box is partially off-screen or hidden behind other applications. If you find it, simply click on it and close it, using the Close button or by clicking OK or Cancel, depending on the message. Once it's closed, go back to Outlook and try your action again. In many cases, this immediately fixes the problem. If you don't see any dialog boxes on your main screen, the next step is to check your taskbar. Look for any extra Outlook icons or small window previews. Hover over the Outlook icon on the taskbar and see if multiple windows are open. If you notice a small prompt or secondary window, click on it to bring it to the front, then close it. After closing it, return to Outlook and test again. Another simple thing you can try is using the Alt and Tab keys on your keyboard. Hold down Alt and press Tab to cycle through all open windows on your computer. Slowly go through each window and look for any Outlook dialog boxes or prompts. If you find one, select it, then close it. This is especially helpful if the dialog box opened on a disconnected or secondary monitor. If the error still appears, save your work if possible and fully close Outlook. Make sure Outlook is completely shut down and not running in the background. Then reopen Outlook and try again. Restarting Outlook clears stuck prompts and refreshes the session, which often resolves this issue instantly. In rare cases, restarting your computer can also help if Outlook is still holding on to a hidden dialog box. Once Outlook opens again, perform the same action that caused the error and confirm that the message no longer appears. And that's all there is to it. By simply closing hidden prompts or dialog boxes and retrying, you can quickly fix the Outlook error that says a dialog box is open. If this video saved you time or frustration, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Outlook tips, fixes, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.